We are Strohmeyer Construction, where we design and build with intention. I'm Raina Strohmeyer, this is my husband Kyle Strohmeyer, and this is Lana, our Director of Interior Design. And we are on site on a custom home called the Geronimo project. And we'd like to talk you through what's going on here, because there's a lot happening. We do custom homes, custom to the client and their lot specifically. This one is a collaboration with SOK Designs. They're out of Sandpoint. We've worked with them multiple times. We always get a great end result.
So the design of this home, like Raina said, was done with SOK. It's a really modern approach, some very cool lines, really great angles on the house. We carry that inside. The exterior of the home has kind of some strong, bold moves on it, and we brought some of those inside. The design has a little bit of glamour and a lot of modern, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
So we're getting close, we want to get poured, then we're going to go into framing, and then that's when it really gets fun, where you can walk on out the floor system, look out, get walls built. So pretty cool process.
So make sure and check back in with us, and you'll be able to see the progress as we continue along on the Geronimo project.